Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Dr. Siti Nofazlina. Today our group would like to present about Nestle products Sindir Berhad. I would like to present the first part in our presentation, which is introduction to the company. How Nestle products Sindir Berhad been founded. First of all, Nestle been founded by their founder named as Henry Nestle in 1867 when he developed infant food, and he joined with a foundation called as the Anglo-Swiss Condensed Milk Company. From the result of the combination, they known as Nestle Group until now, and the motto of their company from the previous one until now is good food, good life. The motto is represent their company that produce many high quality products. How Nestle products Sindir Berhad been introduced to the Malaysians for the first time. It been introduced to the Malaysians for the first time as Anglo-Swiss Condensed Milk Company in 1912 at Penang. So until 1939, they moved to Kuala Lumpur due to the expansion of their business to make their company more bigger, so it can produce more products. It is because Malaysians start to consume their products. They known as Nestle Malaysia Sindir Berhad in Malaysia. So the purpose of the company is they want to unlock the power of food to enhance the quality of life for everyone, either for kids or for the adults or for the older generations. Currently, there are 6 factories in total with 5,000 employees under the Nestle Malaysia Sindir Berhad. Under the Nestle products Sindir Berhad, they already produced more than 500 Halal certified products and more than 2,000 brands being produced under this company. There are 12 products categories under this company, including the baby food, the cat food, cosmetics, cereals, and many more. The examples, the products most popularly been used in Malaysia, we have Milo, we have Maggi, we have Nescafe, and for the products cosmetic brand, we have Garnier. Chief Executive Officer for the Malaysia's brand is Juan Aranos. Besides that, he also managed for the Singapore branch and also for the Brunei branch. Okay, this is the examples of the product categories and the brands. Next, I will talk about the awards have been achieved by the company. Due to the high quality of their company, how they maintain their customer satisfaction, they have been awarded with many awards, not in Malaysia, also in the global level. From the awards, they have been chosen as the winner because of their exceptional contribution in the industry. The majority votes from the voters. Also, they passed the testament that be required for the awards. That's all for me. Thank you.
Next, we are moving to the objective of Halal Industry Development Corporation Awards. Halal Development Corporation Berhad is a Malaysian federal government body responsible for supervising the halal economy and serving as a trusted resource in the halal industry. Its aim is to create chances for Malaysia's halal ecosystems network of stakeholders. Halal Development Corporation Berhad was established on 18 September 2006 as a pioneering government-backed organization that provides as a purpose-built institution to consolidate the various industry clusters that make up Malaysia's halal industry, allowing the country to strengthen the depth of its halal sector's economic contribution. As previously mentioned, Nestle Malaysia received the successful International Halal Company Award at the Halal Industry Development Corporation HDC Awards. There are various objectives of the award. The first objective is to strengthen the position as a global halal center of excellence. One of the most significant requirements of the global economy is the growth of human capital. Halal market competition can be achieved by developing appropriate training for various target groups. These can create shared value among the shareholders and consumers. Creating value among shareholders and society is very important to be successful in the long term. Next, the objective is enhancing quality of life and contributing to a healthier future. This can help to shape a better and healthier world. Consumers have been changing their eating habits in recent years, desiring to improve their diet with healthy and safe food products that are easy to consume while also increasing their health and well-being. This can create more nutritional food such as snack bars. Lastly, the objective of this award is to help local manufacturers produce halal ingredients. Nestle uses its 40 years of halal manufacturing experience to offer expertise and knowledge in order to help small and medium businesses in Malaysia develop halal capabilities. Nestle has taught around 700 local SME participants to date. In a cooperative effort with Halal Development Corporation, Nestle Malaysia also assists local producers in producing halal ingredients.
Next is criteria of the award. Halal Industry Development Corporation HDC Award have their own theme. The theme of the award is Successful International Halal Company. The first criteria of the award is World-Class Halal Expertise. This produce innovative business processes. KitKat Ruby derived from ruby cocoa beans. This indicates that the product produced is based on halal and correct ingredients and guarantees the halal level of the product. Nestle Malaysia manufacture more than 500 halal goods and it's the largest halal manufacturer in the Nestle globe, having pioneered halal in the Malaysian food and beverage business since the 1980s. Nestle Malaysia is the Globe Halal Center of Excellence for the Nestle Group, with strong compliance to the application for our halal standard across our value chain in over 180 markets globally. Next criteria of Halal Industry Development Corporation HDC Award is to invest in a project that is eco-friendly packaging that will produce the year 2025. This is for the sake of enterprise and business sustainability as a whole success. The environment can also be taken care of while producing quality products. The environment is very important to take care of together. Therefore, the eco-friendly packaging done by each company that produce the product is highly supported. The Nestle Institute of Packaging Science, the first of its kind in the food industry, in assisting us in meeting our goal of having all Nestle packaging recyclable or usable by 2025. Food safety relies heavily on packaging, but our solution must be recyclable or usable. Nestle specialists are co-developing and testing innovative, ecological-friendly packaging materials and solutions at our dedicated institute. Last but not least, becoming industry leading by providing healthy, convenient food and services are also some of the criteria of the Halal Industry Development Corporation HDC Awards. It can give satisfaction to every customer. Every company needs to take care of this because customer satisfaction is a company's priority. Nestle wants to provide a range of goods and services that adapts to changing customer expectations. Nestle also strives to develop goods that are beneficial to customers as well as to public health and the environment. That's all from me. Thank you.
First benefit would be ability to enhance the brand recognition by being a positive representative of their brand. Generally, brand recognition is a good thing where a customer has ability to recognize and identify a particular product or service that provided by the company even without seeing the company name. For example, customer can recognize it through visuals or elements such as graphic, logo or colors, slogan, packaging, spline or advertising campaign. For a point of view, Nestle have already launched a lot of advertising campaigns such as Maggi Sah Malaysia campaign, Nestle Classic Kopi Kedah and many more. The purpose of campaign is to communicate as well as to attract more new people so that they will become a new loyalty consumer, and also to give appreciation token towards their regular customer because of support given. The second benefit is in line with the government visions of Malaysia as the Halal Hub. Halal Hub is somehow like a covenant or cooperative effort among all the Islamic organizations or bodies. Government visions of Malaysia as the Halal Hub is to become influential halal certification center that is recognized nationally and internationally. Now it's proven that Malaysia is the leading global halal hub because of the cooperative given by the Jakin Halal Hub Industrial Development Corporation that was formed under Ministry of International Trade and Industry in 2008, Malaysia International Halal Showcase and the World Halal Forum. According to the Halal Industry Master Plan, it provides practical guidelines for the food industry on the preparations and handling of halal food. For Nestle, they already practiced it in early 1970. Having pioneered halal in the Malaysia food and beverage, they already produced more than 500 halal products and the biggest halal producer in the Nestle world. Over 180 markets worldwide, Nestle Malaysia is recognized as the global halal center of excellence for the Nestle Group. The last benefit is companies can enjoy the benefit of valuable human resources. As we know, human resources is very important for the part in every company. Without them, the company cannot operate or functionally properly. In Nestle, the human resources team cultivate our culture through employee learning and foster sustainable growth by ensuring employee passionate with its director to help in delivering organization goals. According to the Nestle Human Resource Policy, it has been offered many benefits through the total reward policy. It is to attract new hires and to keep current employees engaged will move the company forward. Besides it also gives a bonus, incentive, awards based on employee work performance as well as to improve productivity among employees. In addition, the board and all the employees are guided by the Nestle corporate business principle. It covers key issues that underpin compliance, stability and cooperative social responsibility, known as creating shared value, catered to fit the unique characteristic of the group. It is a guideline or ethical framework to ensure integrity of the actions and compliance with law, regulation and commitment. All of these actions made by the company is to be able to work as a team so that the company will be more productive in the future.
I will conclude the overall summary for this writer report. The purpose for this writer report was to identify the achievement and effectiveness of any quality award that have been won by the Malaysian organization. In this writer report, our group have choose the award for Nestle Product Sdn Bhd. They have been won successful international halal company at the Halal Industry Development Corporation. Based on this writer report, we can conclude that the objective for this Halal Industry Development Corporation was to strengthen the position as a global halal center of excellence, in enhancing quality of life and contributing to a healthy future, and to help local manufacturers to produce halal ingredients. Other than that, the company that won the award by the Halal Industry Development Corporation was like to kill two birds with one stone. It was because of the benefit that they will got can be a big help to the company successful, just as it can enhance their brand recognition by being a positive representative of their business, the government vision of Malaysia as a halal hub, and the last one was reliable human resources. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Based on the written report,
we can conclude that any organization that have been entitled to a certain quality awards give a lot of benefits to all relevant parties, which is the organization itself, the government, and also the consumers. Every company and organization in Malaysia should take the opportunity to achieve the quality awards so that they can expand more in the development of the organization. Halal Industry Development Corporation HDC won by Nestle Product Sendirian Berhad, and quality awards won by other organizations in Malaysia show that we as Malaysians are competitive to be more advanced and equivalent as much as other organizations outside Malaysia.